Hello, welcome back. Today we're going to talk about the Ultragloss Bungy. This is the Ultragloss Bungy. This is the line snubber for your dock lines or like bridles or anywhere else you want to use it. It's super easy to install. It's a really slick design. I'll show how it works. The bungee is super easy to install and uninstall. Just make a loop in your line and then put this tab through it and they're on. And you can keep installing them as many as you want on the same line until you run out of line, more or less. And that's how quick it was to put 3 on this line. There's no threading a line, the entire line through like a dog bone, rubber, snubber, or anything like that. These are way easier to install than the typical kind of rubber tube, rubber dog bones. To uninstall them, you just do the opposite. So there it is. The more of these you install, the more shock absorption, more flexibility you get in the line. It works by this. You can stretch it. They're pretty stiff. They're designed around snubbing heavier boats, and you can install as many of these on the line as you want. I hung a bunch of these up on a line outside just to test how stiff they are. I'm hanging on the other end, more or less putting my full body weight on them. You can see they're quite rigid and stiff. They definitely do a lot of shock absorption. They aren't flimsy. They won't let the boat just move crazy around. They do a lot of damping. They are kind of a stiff rubber design. They're very heavy duty feeling. I've got a bunch of bungees installed on my boat on the stern line and the bow line. You can see I've got, I think, 5 on the stern line and 6 on the bow line. I'm going to kick the boat away a little bit just to watch how these stretch. The full weight of these, you can see them expand a little bit, but they do a very good job of damping. They aren't super flimsy. It takes a lot of effort to actually stretch these. Here on Lake Erie, we have a phenomenon called a seiche. It's when we have really strong westerly winds. It blows all the water from the west end of Lake Erie over to the east end of it. The west end is very shallow, so the water in the marina can actually drop 4 to 5 feet during a westerly breeze. And because of this, you need dock lines that have some flexibility to them so the boat can drop when the water level drops, but not be moving all over the place when it's calm. The bungee is a great thing to use on the boat here. They take up the extra dock line that you don't need on calm days, but they let you have enough dock line there so that they can take up the 3 to 4 feet of drop when the seiche does happen. The Ultragloss Bungy is a really good product. It makes a really great line snubber for shortening up your dock lines and having flexibility for when the water level changes. They're super easy to install and uninstall. If you need new snubbers for your dock lines or anything else, the Bungy is a great choice. I have a link below for where you can get them. Thanks for watching. Please give us a like and subscribe before you go.